Hello dear students. So today in this lecture we will discuss about the last type of connective tissues, last type of animal tissues, and these animal tissues are nervous tissues. So you know, in a body or in the body of any animal, the transfer of information is also a very important process. Like when you see something outside and you act accordingly, so that message transfer should also occur in our body, and for that message transfer we are provided with another type of tissues, and these are known as nervous tissues. In nervous tissues, the unit of nervous tissues is, the smallest unit of nervous tissues is nerve cell or neuron, and you must have heard it is the longest cell present in our body, which may be as long as 1 meter, and its function, as I have already said, that it is responsible for transferring the information from one part of the body to another. So for that purpose there are 3 parts of this nerve cell or neuron, and these 3 parts of neuron are cell body, axon and nerve ending. If you look at the structure of nerve cell, the cell body, which is also known as cyton, it is a star-shaped structure almost. So here somewhat like this it looks like, and here are also further branchings there, and then here at the center there is nucleus and cytoplasm. Then attached to it is a long thread-like structure known as axon, and the end of the axon is also branched. As these branches are known as nerve endings. And this axon is further covered with the sheet so this long structure is what it is, axon. Here it is cell body or cyton, and here we have the dendrites. So what happens? Dendrites, they receive the information from some part of the body, maybe from a sense organ, and then they send the information to the cell body. From cell body it passes through the axon, and from axon it reaches to the nerve ending. Then a number of cells, nerve cells, they combine to form a nerve. In that case, the nerve ending of one cell are connected with the dendrite tips of another cell. Then in the second case, the nerve ending of the second cell will be connected to the dendrite tip of third cell, and so on. So in that case you can say the nerve cells combine or neurons combine to form nerves, and these nerves are of 2 types. One are spinal and the another one are cranial. The nerves which are attached to spinal cord are known as spinal nerves, and those which are connected to brain are known as cranial nerves. So in our body we have two types of nerves, spinal nerves and cranial nerves. Spinal nerves, as the name shows, they remain attached to the spinal cord, and the cranial nerves, they remain attached to the brain. And even the spinal cord and brain, all these coordinating centers of the body, they all are made up of these nerve cells or neurons. So if you look at the functions of these nerve cells, so their function is to carry nerve impulses from various sense organs to brain and to transfer the message of brain to the related motor organ. Motor organ means the organ which is responsible for the particular movement or for showing the particular action. So these are known as motor organs. And you know, in these nerve cells or neurons, the impulses are carried out in the form of electrochemical impulses. So here in nerve cells, the continuous electrical and chemical processes are going on, and in the form of these electrical and chemical processes, the informations are being sent from one part to another and from brain to the other parts of the body, right? So that is all about the various animal tissues as well as plant tissues, and that is the end of your chapter about tissues. Have a nice time. Goodbye till then.